Hey guys, today we are going to talk about what kind of web hosting provider you can choose for your WordPress. I have evaluated multiple web hosting providers, and I thought that instead of boring you with all the comparison for 10 or 15 providers, I'll just concentrate on top 3. So I'll be talking about their uptime, their response time, their cost, and their support. So on the basis of these 4 parameters, we'll be talking about which hosting provider you should go for your WordPress website. Yeah. Choosing the right hosting for your WordPress website is very important. Your website health will rely on the hosting provider you use. But how do you know which one is the best WordPress hosting provider? Well, there are so many available online to choose from. But whichever host you're going to choose, keep in mind the 3 most important factors of WordPress hosting. The first one is speed. This will define how fast your website will load, and it hugely affects your ranking on Google. Uptime. Obviously, I don't have to explain it, because if your website is not up, then how are you gonna make your business run? And third, and the very important factor, is the customer support. You don't want to get into something which is not supported well. For example, if you have some problem with your WordPress website, or if your website is not responding for some technical reason, you need a helping hand 24/7 up there, where you can reach out and ask for help and solve the issues on your way. Number 3, Bluehost. Bluehost is popular hosting service among the small business owners and bloggers. Hence, the reason I am recommending Bluehost for people who want to create their website using WordPress. Their uptime from 2017 January till 2018 December was 99.99%. Their load time is around 419 milliseconds, and their support has been amazing, as 96% positive feedbacks they have. Cost wise, if you're going for the cheapest, you will incur somewhere around £30 per year, and you can get multiple deals available online for the first time if you're joining them. But this is the typical cost you have to pay when you go with them for your WordPress website. Number 2, Dell Hosting. Dell Hosting, they are based in UK, and they have SSD drives, and that's why they are really fast. Their uptime was 99.01% from January 2016 to January 2018. I don't have the remaining 11 months of data. Their uptime, their load time was 397 milliseconds, and their support has been not that good, and they have just got 88% of feedback. Good feedback on their support. One thing to notice here is they don't have any phone number where you can reach out to them, so they only provide support via tickets online or via email. Although a lot of feedback they have received online are from developers, so this web hosting provider is really good for developers who know their technical stuff, and they can resolve their problems themselves. So that's why this is on number 2. Cost wise, you can incur somewhere around, with their basic package, around £30 a year. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is the number 1, Hostinger. Hostinger scored most on all the factors, and I would recommend this one to all the small or startups who wants to host their WordPress website quickly. Their uptime has been 99.91% in last few years. Their load time has been 369 milliseconds, and their support is whooping 98% positive. Cost wise, it's quite affordable. For a whole year, it would cost you somewhere around £12 to £15 a year. Now, Because I have recommended you Hostinger, I would like to share their vision. Hostinger says that we are focused on maximizing customer satisfaction by providing the highest quality service for affordable price, which is no surprise sounds hard to believe. The proof is simple. Hostinger is able to provide such low cost service because of its custom built control panel. It enables us to serve much more reliable, fast and intuitive website hosting solutions with better performance and 24/7 365 live support. Well, this actually attracted me quite well, and that's why I actually registered an account with them just to see how it works and how their support is. And that's why I got a demo for you which actually explained from scratch how I have set up my WordPress website with them, and then how my experience has gone through. So let's have a quick look. So the first thing I did is I went on their website, Hostinger, and then I had a look around which packages they are providing for shared hosting. Then I compared them around how much bandwidth and space I'm getting. This has given me a little bit of more understanding of which package I want to choose from. But then I realized they have a 30 days money back guarantee without any question asked. That gave me another reason to try them. Another interesting thing is they have IPv6 enabled on their web host, so that's great. So once I've checked out and I purchased all the product I wanted to, I logged in into my Hostinger account, and this is how the dashboard looks like. You will see all of your products on the dashboard, but you can also go to the subcategories and see each individual products in depth there. So the first thing I did was I set up my hosting. So I chose the domain I bought during my checkout. This will need some of your information because the domain is connected with your information as per the legal requirements. Once you provide that, you can reach to the next step where you can choose whichever software you want to install. So the most famous is the Wordpress. So I chose that. It simply includes 3 steps where you provide all the details required and then just click on the button next, and just provide the title of your WordPress website, and kaboom, within few seconds your website is up and running on the web server. So that's amazing, see. So as you can see, this dashboard is quite customized, and the Hostinger people has actually built it, and then it includes mostly all the open source softwares which are widely used in online communities as well as for different industries. So you can just click on any of them which you need for your website, and then just install it one in a couple of steps. They do have databases, they do have advanced settings, everything on this particular dashboard. It's amazing. The second thing I did was to install my SSL certificates. That was free with my bundle, so I got it. And with just few clicks, my SSL certificates was installed. That's not usual for other hosting providers. So I didn't want it to go for my Cloudflare because I already had the SSL, so I just skipped it. Some of the developers who know about the Cloudflare understand what it is made for. It's made for more production on the website. So afterwards I just had a look around, and then I logged it into my WordPress admin panel, where I downloaded a template and installed it, all the required plugin. I installed them. It was quite handy to install them because the server response was really fast. And then I imported the demo data for the website so that I can see it as it was showing on the demo of the theme. And once I imported, this is how my website looks like. So it was really simple process. I was amazed by the customized dashboard provided by Hostinger. So if you want to try this hosting, there's a whopping 82% off on your first hosting account. Plus, you will also get a free domain. So don't wait, go on the link. I have copied the same link in the description of the video, and you can avail additional 10% with the coupon code provided here. Enjoy.